Travelers are frequent users of social media. During every step of their trip, social media is used to support their decisions. Therefore, your business should be visible to your target group before, during, and after their trip. In this video, we'll discuss how travelers use social media step by step. My name is Rick from the Good Tourism Institute, and on this channel, we help you become a better tour operator. If you don't want to miss out on the latest videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our online library. It contains knowledge on lots of topics to help you become better in business. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about how travelers use social media. I'd like to discuss this in 3 steps: before travel, during travel, and after travel. In general, people are fairly active on social media, but how do people use social media regarding travel? Step 1. Before travel. Lots of travelers use social media as a source of inspiration for their own trips. In particular, Instagram and Facebook are great sources of inspiration. In fact, more than 50% of people follow accounts that are related to the trips that they are planning. As a tour operator, it's important to be visible to this group. You can do this by sharing visual content. Show them different aspects of what makes your trips unique. For example, destinations, accommodations, excursions, and restaurants. Step 2. During travel. Travelers use their smartphones often during their trip. Experiences are shared in the form of photos or videos of surroundings, but also by posting reviews of experiences. Invite your customers to share their travel experiences while they are traveling. People are most likely to share freshly taken photos or videos on social media. These posts can easily become an inspiration to your customers' family and friends. Research shows that people are most influenced by consumer-created content as opposed to professional brand content and influencer content. Step 3. After travel. After returning from their trip, travelers are very active on social media. They share their experiences of the last days and recap their entire trip. This results in a large number of posts on various social media accounts. Also, people will now take the time to write reviews of accommodations, excursions, and restaurants. Make sure to encourage them to share their experiences and ask to be tagged in photos and videos. Tips to interact with travelers. In case of social media use, interaction is key. Use the following practical tips to interact with your target group. Choose your social media platforms wisely. Be available for questions and support. Invite travelers to share and tag your business. Respond to travelers' posts and tags, and ask for reviews and respond to them. It's important to let your voice be heard. Having a solid presence on social media can help you a long way. It's not only about being available when travelers need you, it's also about inspiring them before, during, and after their trip.